So we're here today to do Clean Up Australia. It's something that Icon Water's been doing for the last 5 years. It's looking after our local community, our local areas, cleaning up the bushland. I think we're going to have a good day today. You can already see that there's a lot of rubbish lying around. We're separating out our recyclables from the waste that will have to go to landfill. Hopefully we'll find more recyclables and do our little bit to clean up our local area.
Hi, my name's Sean. I'm just joined Icon Water as an environmental scientist, and we're out here today to clean up some rubbish.
Oh look, it's just been lots a little bit of rubbish that's blown out of cars, I think. It's probably the predominant stuff. Little coffee cup lids, aluminium foils, lunch bags, that kind of thing.
As you can see, there's quite a lot of rubbish. Unfortunately, a lot of them are quite recyclable, so at least it won't go to a landfill and stay there for the next million years.